In a world that's racing toward the next era of wearable technology, Apple seems to be preparing something groundbreaking. While the tech world continues to buzz over the Apple Vision Pro, there's another mysterious product waiting in the wings: Apple Glasses, or what some now refer to as Apple Intelligence Glasses. Though Apple has remained tight-lipped, leaks, patents, and insider reports continue to hint at a revolutionary device that could eventually replace your iPhone. So what do we really know about Apple's secretive Our Glasses project? When can we expect the launch? What kind of features will it offer? How much will they cost? And more importantly, will Apple Glasses redefine the future of wearable art just like the iPhone changed smartphones forever? In this in-depth exploration, we'll go through everything we know and expect from Apple Glasses in 2025, 2026, and beyond, from technical hurdles and release rumors to projected pricing, design philosophy, AI integration, and how Apple plans to leap ahead of Meta, Google, and Samsung in the wearables race. The origins of the Apple Glasses remorse. First whispers of Apple working on a pair of our glasses began nearly a decade ago. Around 2015, the company started hiring key engineers with experience in augmented reality, optics, and computer vision. Since then, Apple has filed dozens of patents covering everything from transparent displays and holographic lenses to advanced eye tracking and environmental awareness. And while Apple Vision Pro was officially unveiled in 2023 as Apple's first spatial computing device, it's only the beginning. Think of it as the Macintosh moment of our powerful, but bulky and expensive. Apple Glasses, on the other hand, are meant to be the iPhone moment: sleek, wearable, consumer-friendly, and designed for everyday use. Apple Glasses release date. When are they coming? If you're hoping to grab a pair of Apple Glasses anytime soon, you might need to be patient. While early rumors speculated a launch as early as 2023 or 2024, the reality seems more complex. Ming-Chi's prediction, 2026, of the earliest trusted Apple analyst Ming-Chi believes that Apple Glasses will not debut until 2026 due to the slow progress in metal lens technology, an essential component that replaces traditional plastic or glass optics with ultra-thin nanostructures. These advanced lenses only began mass production in 2024, and integrating them into a consumer-ready product will take time. Mark Gurman, optimistic, yet cautious on the other side. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has suggested a slightly earlier release window. According to Gurman, Apple is still exploring a late 2025 unveiling, but even he admits the project faces substantial technical and logistical challenges that could push it back by several years. Samsung Securities delayed to 2027, adding to the complexity. Samsung Securities, which monitors our hardware suppliers in Asia, has forecasted that Apple Glasses might not appear until 2027 at the earliest. This aligns with recent developments suggesting Apple is working on a lightweight glasses-centric version of visionOS, a platform that could take years to mature. Will they be canceled? There's even a slim possibility that Apple might cancel or drastically rework the Apple Glasses project altogether if the technology doesn't meet the company's notoriously high standards. Instead, Apple might focus on a cheaper mixed reality headset that bridges the gap between the bulky Vision Pro and the ultra-portable glasses it envisions for the future. Apple Glasses pricing. What will they cost? You might expect a device like this to cost as much as a car, especially given the Vision Pro's $3,499 price tag. But surprisingly, early reports suggest a very different pricing model. John Prosser's leak, just for $199. According to tech leaker John Prosser, Apple Glasses could launch with a base price of just for $199, not including prescription lenses. That would position it as a mainstream consumer device, potentially cheaper than the Apple Watch Ultra and far more affordable than anything in the mixed reality market today. How is that possible? The key lies in the architecture. Unlike Vision Pro, which is a self-contained spatial computer, Apple Glasses are expected to rely heavily on a paired iPhone for processing power and rendering. This dramatically reduces the complexity, heat, and battery demands of the glasses themselves. Think of Apple Glasses as a sleek visual interface, similar in spirit to Vuzix's Blade smart glasses, which also rely on external devices for advanced tasks. Apple Glasses design. What will they look like? Forget the bulky headsets. Apple Glasses are designed to look like, well, glasses. Sleek, minimalist, and familiar, just with a hidden futuristic twist. Lightweight, everyday wearables. Goal is to make wearable art feel natural. According to patents and leaked design mock-ups, the frames could resemble traditional prescription glasses with ultra-thin arms that house sensors, cameras, and projection systems. Materials like liquid crystal polymer, carbon fiber composites, and scratch-resistant sapphire glass are being explored to reduce weight and improve durability. Custom lens technology using a combination of metal lenses and micro displays. Apple plans to project information directly onto the lens in front of your eyes. You'll see digital overlays, directions, notifications, facial recognition tags blended seamlessly with the real world. Eye tracking and biometric integration. Own standout feature will be eye tracking, not just for user input but for biometric security. Just like Face ID changed authentication on phones, Apple glasses could introduce Iris ID, an ultra-secure way to unlock your device just by looking at it. Apple Intelligence glasses, built for AI and Siri 2.0. Here's where things get interesting. With the rise of Apple Intelligence and Apple's investment in on-device AI, Apple glasses won't just be a display, they'll be a smart assistant that's always with you. I-powered our experience, imaging looking at a restaurant and instantly seeing reviews, prices, and wait times, all processed in real time by AI. Or walking into a foreign country and seeing live translation captions projected in your line of sight. Apple glasses could be the ultimate interface for Siri, with spatial awareness, directional, microphones, and contextual understanding. Siri will finally become the proactive assistant Apple promised a decade ago. Imagine whispering a command like translate this sign or record this conversation, and it just works hands-free, eyes forward. Battery life and processing. One of the biggest engineering challenges Apple faces is how to balance performance, weight, and battery life in a pair of glasses that don't look or feel like tech gear. External processing via iPhone be offloading most of the computation to a nearby iPhone or Apple Watch. Apple can minimize the power and heat within the glasses themselves. All-day battery. Don't expect an all-day performance right away. Early models might only offer 4 to 6 hours of use, with special charging cases like those seen with AirPods and Vision Pro accessories. However, future models may integrate solar charging, body heat recycling, or graphene batteries to extend runtime. Visions for glasses, a new interface for the Ice Apple glasses, will likely run a variant of visionOS, reimagined for ultra-lightweight, glance-based input. This won't be about dragging app windows like on Vision Pro, it will be about glimpsing key information, controlling with your gaze or a finger tap on the frame, and using gesture controls powered by the Apple Neural Engine. Apple glasses versus Meta, Google, and Samsung. Apple isn't alone in the AR glasses race. In fact, Meta, Google, and Samsung are all preparing competing products, each with a slightly different strategy. Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses. Meta has partnered with Ray-Ban to produce glasses with cameras, microphones, and limited AI interaction, but they lack full AR display capabilities. Apple glasses are expected to leap far ahead in visual projection and processing power. Google's Project Iris. Google is working on a secretive AR project that combines AI and immersive displays, but they've struggled with delays and haven't launched anything widely. Their previous glass project was pulled due to privacy backlash. Samsung's XR headset. Samsung is building a mixed reality headset with Google and Qualcomm, targeting enterprise use. But Apple's tight integration across hardware and software could give it a massive lead in consumer experience. Final thoughts. We're standing at the edge of a new frontier in computing. Smartphones took the internet out of our homes and put it in our pockets. Now, Apple wants to take it one step further into your line of sight. Your gestures, your voice, your reality.